welcome to Cano's Nature Park. Ito yung kanilang big staycation place nila. Makikita nyo sa tabi siya ng private pool. Ayan. So yung magsistay dito is kayo lang yung reserve for the whole private area na to. Meron tayong chairs here. Merong karaoke dito sa harap ng entrance. And let's go inside the house, the place. So in this place, there's a huge living area where you can sit with your family and stuff. And dito, merong stairs going to the loft area. We will go to the place later. Pero very fresco yung vibe niya kasi yung place is full of wood and itong material na to, very fresco, very mahangin. So punta tayo sa area na to. We have the kitchen. Meron tayong ref, pwede gamitin ng mga guests. Meron rin lababo and stove. And dito, there's a door. Going outside, papunta na yon sa parking area. Ayan. Balik tayo dito. So, di ba kitchen? Dito sa part na to, sa right ng kitchen, there's a CR. Actually, ang ayos ng CR nila, malinis siya. It's very spacious and very linis. There's a shower area, and there's toilet here, and there's a mirror here. Say hi to my cameraman. Punta tayo dito sa first room, dito sa ground floor. Welcome to our room. There's a double deck bed, and there's another bed here. Very spacious. Tapos makikita nyo sa labas, merong bintana na may view. Wait lang. Hala. Merong, baliktad. Nakabukas na pala. Merong view. Papunta dun sa labas. Maganda siya kasi meron silang green type window para hindi papasok yung mga lamok-langaw. And meron tayong double deck bed here. So, madaming kasya dito. For reference, ito ako. Tapos meron tayong cabinets here. Meron rin silang fan. Very fresco. Dalawa yung fan nila. Isang wall fan, isang fan na nandito. Let's go back to our living area. Tapos, dito tayo sa loft area. Dito sa loft, pagdating nyo, higaan na agad siya. Dalawang beds. Madaming kasya dito. Siguro dito dalawa. Tapos dito dalawa rin. Pang adult size. Pero kung kid size, mas madami pang kasya. And very fresco. Walang aircon dito, but sa hangin ng place, sa fresco ng place, okay na rin siya. Madami rin namang fan. And makikita nyo sa area na yon, kita yung room na pinuntahan kanina. Nice. Tapos, ito yung sa gilid, view ng buong living room. Makikita mo yung buong place. Balik tayo sa labas where their pool area is. From the pool area na public, ito siya yung private place, guys. Tapos meron tayo entrance dito papunta rin sa pool. Tapos kaya let's go to the parking na. So that was the tour of this villa house dito sa Cano's Nature Park. It was such a nice place.
Why would you build your four walls up, then push away the people that pulled strings to place you where you are now?
Hi! Anong meron dito?
Nahuhuling ka fish.
Nahuhuli ng fish? Ilan na nahuli nyo?
Ano? Mananlo. Alam mo.
Uy, ayun yung nahuli nila. Dami ha.
Din lahat.
Wow!
Wow!
Ilang minutes bago mo mahuli?
Ay, sorry! 3?
3 minutes? Nahuli mo agad?
Kabit na yan bago niya.
Yan yung paeng?
This thing isn't gonna get in here. No.
I know. Ito yung pang. Poop. Sige, ilagay mo nga.
Ay.
Grabe, okay na kamay.
Duh.